Some of us have been facing this issue recently. So if you look at my screen now, I want to create a new page on Facebook now, and I'm seeing this message that you have created two multiple pages. You can see it here now. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to fix this error on your Facebook account, which can help you to create multiple pages without you seeing this error on your Facebook account. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So the first step you need to do is you need to come into this interface, which is the page creation, this Facebook page creation interface, right? So, and the other step we need to do, we need to get a VPN. So no matter what kind of VPN that you are using, just make sure that this VPN is strong and is okay. So you can go to your app store, your Play Store, or whatever source of downloading app that you have. So just make sure that you get a VPN. So let me just quickly turn on my VPN now, because I've already gotten mine. So let me just turn mine on now. So once my own is already active, look at this please. Now my VPN is already turned on, right? So let me just quickly refresh this page so that I can be able to create my new Facebook page right here now. So let me just quickly refresh this page. So just need to wait a little, just small time, just wait. So let me just quickly leave this. Okay, so now the page has been refreshed, right? So let me just input my name. Let me just input my page name, so which is Xander class, then the category I'm going to be using information and information technology company. So I'm going to be using that in this tutorial. So the bio, you can skip the bio. After that, you just click on this create page button. So just click on it and you have to wait. So you just need some little time, so you just need to wait small. So if you look at this place now, my page has been created successfully. So you just need to input all your details. I'm just going to click on next, next. So later on you can just change all this stuff. So next. So let's go to the page profile, right? So let me just click on next. Okay, if you look at this place now, my page is now created. So this is the page profile. So this is the page profile here. Now let me just skip all this. So this is the page profile. So this is how you can be able to create your Facebook page without you receiving a Facebook error that you have created too many pages on your Facebook account. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a useful video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video. Thank you.